Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. It is time for another flower pop, and I'm actually doing an oldie but goodie. I have been wanting to do ring pours, getting back to open cups, flip cups, and I just have not done enough of them. And when I've tried them out, I'm not real happy with the outcome. So today I am showing you where I'm going to do a flower pop and we're going to do a ring pour with it. This is Primal Flow paints. I will put the link below. They are pre-mixed paints. They're amazing. That was Pacific Navy. I'm now using Folk Art, their silver in their treasure series, and I added a little bit of Deco Art satin enamel to this. I wanted to give it a little bit of a cloud effect. It didn't really work out that way, but there are some cool little pearls or cells. And this next Primal Flow color is Lime Fizz. And I absolutely love the name. That's why I named this picture Lime Fizz. This is a small canvas. This is just an 8x10. And then we will do a 10x10 ring pour to kind of go side by side, just having some fun. I'm using my LoriHoustonArt bottle, and I've got Primal Flow Titanium White. That's another pre-mix paint. And these are paints that I used when I started out. I always have a couple in my collection, and they're great when you want to experiment or you just want to grab some paint and go. I originally, when I was watching all the YouTube creators with paint pouring, I had a lot more time to watch folks. And Kathleen with Cos Creations, she had this washer box. This is what you would set your clothes washer in, and she used these spindles. And that's where I originally got this idea, and I love it. It keeps everything contained, and it's wonderful when you are doing a small canvas. So I'm just going in these very minimal colors, trying to again, I'd like to do some diptych and triptychs with my flower pop. We're going to use the Primal Flow. I'm going to use the shop towel to pull that titanium white Primal Flow onto the canvas. Okay, so tonight I want to thank everyone for being here with us on this Thursday night collaboration, Rock and Pour. It started off with LouiseMcKayArt at 6:30. I am at 6:45, and Angela Bliss Art is at 7 p.m. tonight. It's just the three of us tonight. Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. She's taking a break right now. She has a lot of things going on. We'll miss her, but she's welcome to come back and visit us anytime. And now I'm just going to blow these flowers out. I really love these colors together. I'll probably do a larger canvas with this same color palette. Puffy does really well when I'm using thinner, thicker paints. He's just amazing. I couldn't live without him. Now you see that I've switched from that washer box that I was using to swipe, and I've moved over to this. This is just a container you get at Walmart. You can get them anywhere. My husband has added 2 rods to that, and actually Olga Sobey is where I got this idea. And if you go onto her website, she actually has all the instructions on how to do this. I have a very handy husband, so I showed him a picture, and right away he's like, okay, and he made me several. I was doing a lot of 11 by 14 and 12 by 16 canvases when I started. My work is displayed at the Williamsburg Bazaar, and the space that I have, if I put a large painting, I can't put a whole bunch more. So these small paintings go very well. That's why I continue to do them. I don't do a lot on camera, but I keep a lot of supply of the smaller canvas at that bazaar. But this container that I'm using is amazing. So if you want the full instructions, just check out Olga Sobey and she can show you how to construct this. So anyway, and again, this is just kind of a sample piece, an oldie but goodie video that I wanted to share. And sometimes it's good to rewatch how you used to do things. And, you know, we sometimes make things so difficult, and it's great to go back to the basics. So sit back and watch and enjoy this video. And I want to thank everyone again for following us on this Thursday night. It's so much fun. We love having you here. Let's put some music on and finish up these flowers before we go to the ring pour. See you there. Okay, we are ready to do the ring pour. So I want to apologize up front because I got yakking away and picked up my cup and just poured the paints in the cup. However, we're using very few colors here. We're using the navy, which is the Pacific Navy. We're using, we're going to start off putting a little bit of the titanium white in the bottom. Then I'm going to layer some lime fizz. Then I'm going to layer some of the silver with the Deco Art satin enamel in it. Then I'm going to do the navy, and that's how I did these colors. We're going to have a little bit of a flow extender. I'm not changing the consistency. I'm going to use a little of the titanium white, a little of that Pacific blue, and we are going to now, you see my nifty cup. I just layered those colors, and they're thick layers. And I am just going to do a quick ring pour in the center, and we're going to see what we got here. I love these colors. I think that the lime and the navy blue go so well together. I'm going to do a bloom, and maybe I'll call it something similar to this because I really do like the final results on this. Please make sure you go back on my channel. I've been doing a lot of flower pop and blooms on glass. I'd love for you to take a look. Let me know what you think. So I'm just moving everything. I'm back over to that washer. Like I said, this is amazing to contain everything on these smaller canvases. I'm really glad that I added that navy blue on top of the white for the flow extender. I just don't think I had enough of the blue, navy blue in the cup, or it just amazed me how much this lime fizz really took over. I'm in love with this ring pour. I kind of wish I had stopped right here and left that navy blue center, but I didn't. There was just too much paint on the canvas, and I had to stretch it out a little bit more, but it does look very, very nice at the end. Okay, I will see you there. Let's take a look at these two together. Wow, these look beautiful. I think they would look great hanging on the wall. I think there's different ways. I think I like it the way I have it here. As it's drying, I changed the, kind of moved that ring pour so that that navy blue was in the far right corner. And I think I like that a lot better. So let me know what you think. I just love these two together, and I think in a white frame, there we go. They dried beautiful. I love the name Lime Fizz. I just think that on the wall, in a green room or somewhere fun, this would be an amazing diptych. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Please, please hit that sub if you aren't already subscribed. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I would love a comment. Please email me if you have any questions. I know a lot of you are trying these flower pops, and I'm so honored and so gracious. Every time you do one, if I do not comment, that means I did not see it. I was not notified. Email me because I want to take a look. Anyway, thank you again. Let's head over to Angela Bliss Art. Take care, everyone. Till next time.